I'm Rick Smith with Smith & Son Plumbing. Just wanted to come give you a couple of pro tips, or actually one right now. Cold weather coming up over the next few nights. It's going to get down below freezing, even to the upper 20s. You got to protect your hose bibs. It's very important. Water hose hooked on there, trap the water inside the fill tube inside here that's supposed to keep it from freezing. So first thing you want to do, go out to your hose bib. Actually, first thing you want to do is probably go down to Home Depot, buy you a little cover like this. They got them out of styrofoam. It's like $3 and something. I think this one here is like $4 and something. But just go out to your hose bib, make sure your water hose is off of it. Long-winded sometimes. And you take the cover, the part that's inside here, just run it over the top of the handle. Oops. You don't want to do that, especially whenever you're cold out here. Get it on there. It's not always easy, but now that you got it on there, put it up against the wall. Square it up where the foam's up against the wall like that. Squeeze it. There you go. So it's going to have a little bit of a air trap behind here. It's going to keep moisture from getting down on top of it. Also, it's not going to get super hard freeze, but in the upper 20s for overnight, this will protect all that from freezing. So just a little bit of a tip there. Coming in the future, we're going to have more tricks and tips that are going to be coming on the channel. And if you want to come see us at the Allen Americans, we're a proud sponsor of them as well. Come see us out in the corridors.